If you're going on a celebrity cruise, you're probably wondering what's included and what isn't. Now, there have been some changes over the last couple of years, so whether this is your first celebrity cruise or you're a returning Celebrity Captains Club member, this video is for you. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, Celebrity is a premium cruise line, but that doesn't mean that everything is included. And depending on whether you book a standard fare, the all-included fare, or even different types of cabin categories, your experience on board, the price you pay, and even what's included will be a little bit different. Now, in this video, I'm going to go through all of the details about what is included when you book a celebrity cruise, as well as the extras that you might want to budget for. And this is important even for experienced cruisers, as some things are different not only from other cruise lines, but even from Celebrity a couple of years ago. And depending on the cruise ship and whether you're booked on Edge Class, there will be some differences. So I'll point these out in the video as well. Now, before we get started, there are two things. First, please let me know if this is your first Celebrity cruise, or if you sailed with Celebrity before, please let me know what is your favorite ship down in the comments below. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. All right, first a little overview of Celebrity Cruises. Celebrity is a premium cruise line, and although part of the Royal Caribbean group, it's more upscale in feel than a Royal Caribbean cruise, with amenities and dining being generally a higher quality. Celebrity appeals to adults, foodies, and travelers who like good service, stylish ships, and a slightly more elevated atmosphere without going into luxury cruise pricing. So what's included in your cruise fare when you book a Celebrity cruise? Well, first it has to be said that all of the amenities on the cruise ship and public spaces are included. Now, I mentioned this because Celebrity ships are particularly beautiful with a lot of great spaces and venues. Celebrity cruise ships have large outdoor resort pools, as well as an indoor adult-only solarium pool. You'll find beautiful outdoor deck space, and in particular on the Edge Class cruise ships, where you have rooftop garden. In the interior of the cruise ship, you'll find well-decorated spaces, beautiful lounges with really nice seating, and several bars. Now, I'm going to be sharing some of the details of the drink packages you can get at the bars, as well as the dining and restaurants later on in this video. Okay, so now let's go through some of the basics. So your cabin or your accommodations are included. Now, depending on your cruise ship, the cabins might be a little bit different, but you do have inside cabins, ocean view cabins, veranda cabins, which is what Celebrity calls their balcony cabins. And then you also have suites. However, there are different categories of those cabins, including Aqua Class and Concierge Class and Retreat, that have different amenities that are included. But I'll get into the details of that shortly. Now, Celebrity's cabins are pretty well appointed. In fact, even interior cabins on the Edge Class cruise ships include a sitting area within the cabin, so pretty nice and spacious. And your standard balcony cabins are quite spacious as well. Now, when it comes to the amenities in the cabin, you'll get a bathrobe by request. You'll have umbrellas in your cabin that you could use during your cruise. And in the bathroom, you'll have hand wash, lotion, and a separate shampoo and conditioner. You'll also get daily housekeeping, including an evening turn-down service. Food and dining. Now, there's a lot of food that is included on a Celebrity cruise, and there is one place that a lot of first-time cruisers do not know is included. So I'm going to share that with you. So first, your main dining room is included. And when you are on an Edge Class cruise ship, so this includes Edge, Apex, Beyond, Ascent, and now Excel at the time that I'm filming this video, you actually get 4 included main dining room style restaurants. Now, these 4 restaurants all have the same classic menu across all of the 4 restaurants, but you also have some dishes that are prepared specially for that particular restaurant. And it is pretty nice because those restaurants are themed, whether you're in Normandy, which is my personal favorite, that is the French style restaurant, or in Cyprus, the Greek restaurant, in Tuscan, the Italian restaurant, or in Cosmopolitan, you'll notice beautiful seating and a different decor that really makes it feel like you're dining somewhere special every evening. Now, when it comes to the casual dining, you've got a lot of really good options. Now, this includes Masked Grill, which is where you can pick up hamburgers and hot dogs right next to the pool. The Aqua Spa Cafe, which does have some pretty limited hours, but it is in the solarium area, and you might want to check out some of those healthier options. And Cafe Al Baccio. Now, this is one of the venues that a lot of people think is extra, but it is included. Now, what you'll find at Cafe Al Baccio is sweets and savory treats all during the day, and you'll find some donuts and muffins and things like that in the morning. Now, I do want to let you know that the coffee that they serve there is something extra, but that is included in the beverage package that we will talk about soon. And Ocean View Cafe, which is the buffet, which I have to say, Celebrity really does do well. There are a lot of different options in the buffet. So if you normally skip the buffet, I would say this is probably one cruise line to definitely check out. You're going to find grilled items. You're going to find shrimp and seafood, a lot of different desserts, a lot of cheeses, charcuterie, and fresh fruits. And scoops, which is included soft ice cream, hard ice cream, and sorbet. What drinks are included? Well, this is pretty basic, so you'll want to know, especially if you are considering any drink packages. So your basic tea and coffee are included. Your water is included, but not in water bottles, but it is safe to drink on the cruise ship. Your juice, this is in the morning in particular at the buffet or any of the restaurants, and you'll also find a flavored type drink and iced tea. The Kids and Teens Club. Now, even though Celebrity tends to attract more adults than families, they do have a very good teen and kids club, and in particular during holidays and school breaks, you will find children and families sailing. Transportation to cruise ports of call. Now, this one goes without saying, but I do have to mention, of course, that part of the cruise is going to several different destinations. Now, a couple little extras at the pool that I did want to mention. Your towels are included. You will find these right on the chairs already placed, or you can also find them at a towel station. Now, at that towel station, it is unmanned, so you do not need to check them in and out. And something that we've seen on our last 2 Celebrity cruises is that there was sunscreen for everybody to use as you wanted. However, I do not know if that is standard and always there. Now, before we move on to what is not included, I did want to share with you something that is included and not included at the same time that a lot of people do not know about. So this is room service in your cabin. Now, a few years ago, room service was always included on Celebrity, but they made a change a couple of years ago that there is an additional fee. However, continental room service breakfast is actually included. So you can find a little card right in your cabin that you can place outside your door, or you can call room service for the details. Okay, so now let's talk about what's not included and what you might need to budget for, and then we'll move on to the different types of cabin categories and what might be worth it to you. Specialty dining. So like I mentioned, there's a lot of included food, but a lot of people do enjoy a couple of nights at a specialty restaurant. Now, the specialty restaurant prices do vary in pricing, and I will let you know some of our favorite specialty restaurants on Celebrity. Fine Cut is a steakhouse. I find it to be excellent. The other restaurant on the Edge Class cruise ships is Eden, which also we have really loved. And one that some people like and some people don't like as much, but we really do enjoy it, is the Rooftop Grill. I just particularly like that you get to eat outdoors. The Thermal Spa package and any spa treatments. So this is something, if you do enjoy it, you can either get a package or you can buy treatments individually. Shore excursions. Like most cruise lines, shore excursions are not included. However, I do want to mention that for shore excursions and even things like spa treatments, keep an eye once you book your Celebrity cruise, as oftentimes there are promotions leading up to your cruise that you might get either through email or by logging in onto your app. The drink package. Now, Celebrity has a few different drink packages, from a non-alcoholic drink package to the classic drinks package to the premium drinks package. However, when it comes to the price, it does fluctuate from sailing to sailing. Reports from real cruisers on Reddit share that the price has been anywhere from $65 to $85 per person per day for a classic package and $100 or more per day for premium. However, Celebrity does offer an all-included package, which is likely the better value. I'm going to share the Wi-Fi next, and then I'm going to get into the details of that package. So Wi-Fi is also not included on your Celebrity cruise. However, especially for new cruisers, I do want to mention that the use of the app while you're on board is included. Now, the Wi-Fi prices, if you were to purchase this separately, range from around $20 to $35 per person per day. Which brings me to the all-included package. Now, there have been some changes from a couple of years ago with the all-included package. And honestly, this is a little bit confusing to some cruisers. So what is included in the all-included package? Well, you get your classic drink package and you get your basic Wi-Fi. In the past, gratuities were also included in this. However, that has been removed from the package. So it's more like a Wi-Fi drink bundle. So what's included in the classic drink package, which is the all-included package? Well, it's all alcoholic drinks up to $12. It also includes your specialty coffee and tea and your bottled water. Now, if you want to make sure that your drink package covers drinks that are above $12, like the martinis, then you can upgrade to a premium package, which covers drinks up to $19. So how much is the all-included package? Well, this can actually vary depending on the sailing. However, I did do a mock booking. I will leave that up on the screen. So my 7-day Caribbean cruise ended up being $575 per person. Now, I do have a cruise tip for you. If you do book the all-included package, once you book it, you may have the opportunity to upgrade that package at a discounted price. So again, make sure that you're looking out for those promotions and your email. Gratuities. Now, when you're on your cruise, automatic daily gratuities are going to be charged per person to your onboard account. Or if you want, you can prepay these before your cruise. Now, this ranges from, at the time that I'm filming this video, from $18 per person per day to $23 per person per day if you are in a suite. And just a little note, this does include twice a day daily housekeeping. Room service. Now, I mentioned this a little while ago that there is complimentary continental room service. However, if you do want room service outside of that continental breakfast menu, there is a charge of $9.95 per order, which I believe Celebrity calls their delivery fee. Now, by the way, this is for all standard cabins. If you are in the retreat, room service is included. Now, speaking of the retreat and what's included, let's talk about some of the different cabin categories and inclusions and perks, just because I know it can be a little bit confusing when you are booking your Celebrity cruise to know, should you stay with a standard cabin or should you upgrade to an Aqua Class cabin, concierge, or even the retreat? So first, your standard cabin. It includes everything that I just mentioned now. And that means whether you have an inside cabin, an ocean view cabin, or a veranda cabin of any sort. But when it comes to the verandas, you do have a couple of other options as well, and they might be worth it for you. So starting off with Aqua Class. Now, this is a really interesting class of cabins because you get your standard veranda or balcony cabin, but included in that, you also get these spa amenities. Now, this includes access to the thermal spa for the entirety of your cruise, a spa concierge, complimentary fitness classes, and some in-room amenities like 2 water bottles daily and the use of yoga mats. And one of the best things, so I hear, is access to Blue Restaurant. Now, Blue is a restaurant that is dedicated to Aqua Class guests. I've never eaten there, but I've heard it's absolutely wonderful. Now, you get healthier type fare there, but you can also order from the main dining room menu if you like. And keeping in mind, it is a smaller dining room, so you are going to have perhaps a little bit more of an elevated service. Concierge Class. Now, Concierge Class on Celebrity is an upgraded veranda category with a few perks, but it's not the same as Aqua Class or the retreat. The main benefits include a personalized concierge service, an embarkation day lunch, daily treats delivered to your stateroom, and a bottle of sparkling wine on request. And you get a few extra perks like a pillow menu and dining time preferences on availability. Now, my take is that there are some less tangible perks that you get with Concierge Class versus the Aqua Class or the retreat, which of course does come at that higher price. But if the cost is just a little bit extra, it might be worth it to you. Retreat. Now, retreat is Celebrity's suite class and Celebrity's ship within a ship concept. Now, along with suite accommodations, you also have dining in Lumine, the use of the retreat lounge, access to the absolutely beautiful retreat sun deck. We actually visited it recently on Celebrity Apex, and this does depend on the cruise ship, but it was absolutely beautiful with a pool, a hot tub, an outdoor restaurant and bar, and beautiful plush lounge chairs and some incredible views. You also get a butler, retreat host, and a concierge team. And a perk to remember, especially when you're pricing out those cabins, is the fact that the all-included package is included, and it's actually the premium package. So you're getting your premium drinks package and your premium Wi-Fi, which is better and faster. You get priority embarkation and disembarkation, and as I mentioned earlier, free room service. Now these are the basics, but higher suite extras can vary with even more perks. Now, if you are going on a celebrity cruise, I will leave my most recent celebrity cruise experience right after this in case you do want to check that out. And I'd love to hear from you. Please let me know any of your celebrity cruise questions as well as your tips down in the comments below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Bye for now and happy cruising.